Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Twitter account using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Twitter and just go ahead and log in your account. And now I want you to do is to click on your profile photo here at the upper part or at the upper left side of your screen and click on settings and support. Now you want to choose settings and privacy and choose your account. And now you can see here at the lower part of your screen, you can see deactivate your account. So just go ahead and click on that. So here you're about to start the process of deactivation or deactivating your Twitter account. So now just go ahead and click on deactivate. And you just need to confirm your password. So just go ahead and type your password and click the deactivate button at the upper right side of your screen. Okay. So once you've done that, your Twitter account will be deactivated. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.